Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on checking your heart rate on Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Certain watch faces will show you your heart rate on the clock face. But to measure your heart rate manually, you need to tap the home button to open the app menu. Then tap on the app with a heart icon. It will show you your current heart rate at the top here. You can swipe down to see more heart rate statistics, such as your average heart rate. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.